Welcome to Cakes Factory. Get ready to be surprised by today's video 15 incredible cake hidden. A second cake inside. Let's slice into the magic. The first one is mini rainbow cake inside a chocolate cake. A chocolate cake outer cake reveals mini layered rainbow cake inside. Surprise and delight in every cut. The next is hidden heart inside vanilla cake. Each slice reveals a bright pink heart in the center, perfect for Valentine's or anniversaries. The next is two-tier cake with matching mini tier inside. Cut the bottom tier and find a perfect mini version of the top inside. Clever and classy. The next is character cake inside. Cartoon character shape appear when sliced like Pikachu or Hello Kitty. Kids love this one. The next is hidden message cake inside. Each slice reveals a letter together in spells. Happy birthday or happy buddy. Creative and personal. The next is rainbow inside black velvet cake. Dark outside, bright inside. Layers of neon color hidden inside. Bold and beautiful. The next is chocolate chip cake inside vanilla. Looks plain vanilla outside, but inside a rich chocolate drip cake. Yum meets surprise. The next is Oreo cake inside red velvet cake. Cut the red velvet and find a full Oreo stuffed cake inside. Double the wow. The next is polka dot cake inside. Bright cake dots baked inside each slice. Cut and colorful. Ideal for kids' parties. If you like any idea, take a signature shot of it and bake that cake. Marble cake inside rainbow shell. This is another amazing idea. Outside rainbow, inside alien marble swirl. Unexpected twist. The next is surprise gender reveal cake. Slice the cake, blue or pink sponge reveals the baby's gender. A showstopper for baby showers. The next is chocolate cake inside cream cake. Caramel flavored out cake hidden a rich chocolate core. Sweet surprise combo. The next is cupcake inside cake. Mini cupcakes hidden inside a big cake. Slice and reveal multiple mini treats. Cute and quirky. The next is fresh fruit cake inside. From outside, it's a regular cake, but inside, it's layered with fresh berries and sponge, refreshing and vibrant. The next and the least is cake pop ball surprise center. In the middle of this cake, there is a ball of cake pops that spills out when sliced. Interactive and fun. How to make cake inside cake. Want to try this magic at home? These tips follow. Bake your inner cake first, let it cool. Place inside raw batter for your outer cake, carefully center. Bake again until fully cooked. Let cool completely before slicing. Use silicone or molds or cookies cutter for head or letter shape. Was not that sweet and surprising. Cake inside a cake design are not just dessert, they are edible surprise. Which one was your favorite? Tell us in the comment below. If you want more creative ideas like this video, share with your friends, family members, and your loved ones or who love baking. And subscribe to Cakes Factory for more daily inspiration. I'm your host, Sumbal Shahzadi. See you in the next sweet video coming next, that is polling cake designs, comic outline cakes, galaxy mug, glaze cake. Until next, stay sweet and creative and tell us which idea do you like to know or more in detail. Till that, take care of yourself. See you. Goodbye.